Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to discuss check knowledge module in ODI 12C. So when we have to perform data validation checks on the data, we use CKM, which is check knowledge module. CKM can be used in two ways: CKM flow control and CKM static control. So when data validation checks are performed, then $i table will be created in the staging area. So let me just repeat the IKM steps. Okay, so I will go to the IKM section. So these are the steps when data validation checks are performed. IKM, which is integration knowledge module, is going to create an $i table. It will insert data in the $i table from $C table. Once this step is done and dusted, IKM is going to call CKM, which is check knowledge module, to isolate erroneous records and cleanse the $i table. So after this step, IKM is going to insert data in the target table. So IKM is going to select data from $i table and it will insert it in the target table. So the last step is that IKM is going to drop the $i temporary table. So these are IKM steps. Now let me just explain the concept of CKM flow control. So the concept of CKM flow control is that CKM will create $e table in the staging schema. CKM will check duplicate values or invalid records in the $i table on the basis of primary key or unique key. So CKM will check duplicate values on the basis of primary key or unique key. Okay. Then the third step is, if duplicate values are found, so what CKM is going to do? CKM will delete it. Okay, CKM will delete it and it will insert data in the $e table. So CKM will delete duplicate values from the $i table and it will insert it in the $e table. So this is flow control. CKM flow control. So what is CKM static control? CKM static control is that the first step is CKM will create $e table. Okay, fine. Then CKM will check duplicate values in the target table. So CKM static control will check duplicate values in the target table, but when it comes to CKM flow control, it will check duplicate values in the $i table. So okay, it will check on the basis of primary key or unique key. Fine. The third step is, if duplicate values are found in the target table, so then what CKM is going to do? It will not delete it, but it will copy duplicate values in the $e table. So this is CKM static control. So now, first of all, what I am going to do, in order to better understand the concept of CKM flow control and CKM static control, we are going to look at this example, first underscore mapping. First, I will create the primary key constraint. So since we are going to identify duplicate records on the basis of primary key, so I will create primary key constraint. So name will be primary key, primary underscore key. Attributes, so I will set product underscore ID as my primary key. Save this. Now this has been, primary key has been created. Next, I will go in the physical view of my mapping. Now what I am going to do, I am going to select, I will click target underscore product. I will click this. Then I will select the integration knowledge module. So these are different templates that I can select. So right now I will select the IKM Oracle control append. I will select this template. What about this check knowledge module? So you're going to get default and this one. So right now I have two, default and CKM Oracle. So I will select CKM Oracle. Save this. So if you are not seeing this IKM Oracle control append template, so what you are going to do, you are going to import this particular template. So how you are going to import it? You will go to the knowledge modules, then you will go to the IKM, which is integration knowledge module, right click, then you have to import it. Import knowledge modules. Here in the search bar you will write IKM and you will get different templates, IKM templates. So let's say if I select IKM, let me select few IKM templates. Okay, CKM, I will select CKM Oracle, CKM SQL. Okay, I will select these two CKM templates. Then I will select IKM. Let me select the IKM file to file. Okay, click OK. Import in progress. So ODI is importing different templates. Okay, let me just check. CKM, look, I have added two more templates. Okay, so I will select CKM Oracle. So drop error table false, drop check table false, drop error index true. Okay, create flow index. Okay, now I will select integration knowledge module. Then what I am going to do first, I will select the flow control. I will set the value true. Okay, I will set the value true. Flow control value true. Static control value is false. Okay, now first I'm giving you an example of flow control. So CKM will check duplicate values in the $i table on the basis of primary key or unique key. So we are reading this source underscore product.csv file. So I will put some duplicate values here. Okay, the last row is a duplicate row. Let me just add a duplicate row. Okay, now 134. So if duplicate values exist in the $i table, it will delete it and it will insert data in the $e table. Okay, now you will see the duplicate row in the $e table. So let me just execute the mapping, but first I need to check few things. Okay, CKM control, these are the tables. So if I set the value true, so ODI is going to drop the error table. Okay, error table. So if I set the value true, ODI is going to drop the check table. So I don't want to drop my error and check tables. Okay, okay, now IKM. So let me select this. Let me click this LKM, loading knowledge module. So I will select different LKM templates. I can select different templates. Look, so right now what I am doing, I am reading data from a file. So I will so the template will be LKM file to Oracle. I am reading data from file and I am inserting data in Oracle table. So for that I need to select LKM file to Oracle. Okay, save this. Now I'm going to execute my process. Execute this. Session started. I need to check the operator. Okay, the process is completed successfully. This one. Okay, now I need to check the $e table. Refresh this table, this table, $e target underscore product table. Let me just query this. So you will see a duplicate record in the $e target table. So this one is a duplicate row. Okay, 134 duplicate values. Let me just show you the duplicate. Look. Okay, now this is an example of CKM flow control. Now next what I am going to do, I am going to set the value to false. Now Flow control, I will set the value to false. This time around I'm going to set static control to true. Okay, so what it is going to do, if duplicate values exist in the target table, it will not delete it, and it will copy duplicate values in the $e table. Let me just show you the target table. So let me just query this target table. Product. So right now target table has 35 rows. Okay, number of rows 35. Okay, wait, one more important thing. Truncate this table. First truncate this table. Table has been truncated. Right now I don't have any record in $e product table. Now what I am going to do, IKM. Okay, first what I am going to do, I'm going to set the value truncate the target table. Yes, true. So first it is going to truncate the target table. Right now I have 35 records. Okay, first it is going to truncate this target table, then it will insert the data. Save this. Flow control true. I'm going to set that flow control to static control. I will set false. Now I'm going to execute my mapping. Execute the mapping. Now you will see in my target table I will have 11 records. In the $e target underscore product table will have 2 records. Okay, now 134. Now next what I am going to do, this time around I am going to set the value of this truncate option to false. I will set it to false, then flow control false, static control true. Save this. Now with static control, what will happen, if duplicate values exist in the target table, it will not delete it, but it will copy duplicate values in the $e table. So these values which are present in the target table will be duplicate, because I am reading the same data. And I'm putting the data in the $i table. So $i table, in this table will have a duplicate values. Okay, will have duplicate values, this table. So now what I am going to do, okay, it will delete it and it will copy duplicate values in the $e table. Now let me just execute the process. Okay, let me just execute the process. You will see, okay, wait, one important thing I need to check. Truncate table is set as false. Okay, static control option is set as true. Flow control option is set as false. Okay, now let me just execute my mapping. Now you will see $e table will have more records. This $e target table will have more records, and this target underscore product table will have duplicate records, because this is not going to delete it. Look, total 24 records, duplicate records. So I will have duplicate values in my target table. Look, okay. Now let me just check the $e target product table. So you will have so many duplicate values. Okay, look, so many duplicate values in my $e target table. So what is the purpose of this table? I need to check this table. So in this table you will have the error count and the error message and some other details. SNP check underscore tab. Look, error message, date, origin, error count, 24 rows. Okay, in this $error table you will have 24 records for this row and 2 records for this for first row. Okay, now this is an example of CKM static control.